JJ here. Today, I'm going to show you the MAC lipstick swatches. The first one is the pink one. It's a Barbie pink in color. The dress I'm wearing here is from Zara. Okay, and for the second one is the Ruby Woo. This is perfect for a party. But you can wear it also for an everyday lipstick. Then till next time.